And just so you guys know, the record to beat is 103 oysters in 90 seconds.
First place winner is going to get a $150 cash prize and a $200 gift card to use at any of the 3 venues at Charlie and Joe's at Love Street. Plus, of course, you got the bragging rights, right? And there are also prizes for second and third place, $150 and a $100 gift card, respectively.
Okay, once again, let's have all spectators back up about 6 feet from the table. Once again, so the referees can have room to move about, and also so the trays of oysters can be delivered.
Now, we have our timer. 1 minute. 1 minute?
1 minute before the competition starts. Make sure you dress your oysters if you'd like.
You only have 90 seconds.
And remember, all oysters must be slurped, chewed, and swallowed to be counted.
And if they come back up, doesn't count.
That's right.
So you need to chew. You need to chew.
Yeah, if they come back up, you got to put them back down.
I'm good, dog. I'm built for this. I like competition. You got it, baby? I got it.
All right, contestants, we're at about 30 seconds. If you would, should we have all the contestants put their hands by their side for the start?
Yes, sir.
Hands by your side, all contestants. Hands by your side. Hands by your side, all contestants. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! He is going through that tray, yes, with 2 hands.
Megan and Carmine. Ooh, Carmine, that's impressive. Megan's going good. Megan's going good.
You can do it! There you go, give me another tray. Get him up.
Megan, don't confuse one of your fingernails with an oyster.
One more. Pass it straight down.
Oh, we have a contestant on his second tray.
Wow. All right, we got our girl Anna in here. She's looking good. How many people are on their second tray?
I see at least 3 people on this end on their second tray.
Wow. That
We've got 2 people on this end on their second tray.
That means they've gone through 30 already.
Time?
Hurry up.
How much time is left?
30 seconds left, contestants.
Tray. Oh my God. Is that his third tray? Jesus, you're an animal. 15 seconds.
Gonna count it down from 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Contest is over. Hands up, everybody. Nice job.
Look at that.
All right, start counting his. Count the ones with 3 trays on them.
I'm impressed.
I see a couple of contestants that were on their
Third tray.
tray.
Wow.
So we're going to take a few minutes and do a little counting.
3 trays.
We'll let the referees count the oysters, and then we will crown our winners.
And we'll be back, like Sally said, to crown our winner for the 3rd annual Shucking Best Oyster Eating Contest here at Lucky Shuck. Charlie and Joe's at Love Street. Thanks for hang tight, and we will crown a winner in just a few.
69. 69.
87.